Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you how I recreated Edward Scissorhands on my hobby today, so keep on watching. Starting off with some foundation, you could also use white paint, but here I'm mixing two different foundations to obtain a lighter shade, but also very durable. Start off by applying it with a brush, and obviously you can take as many breaks as you want, because it's all about having fun. I recommend to bring down the foundation all the way to the neck to make the look more realistic. Moving on to the concealer. And okay guys, if you want a full coverage affordable concealer, this is your go-to. This will stay all day and give you a smooth-like finish. To lock everything now, I'm using the Fit Me by Maybelline setting powder, and the shade is 05 Fair. It is a light shade, but it's perfect for this look. Here, I'm applying it with the damp beauty blender to lock everything up. And to further brighten the T-zone, I'm using here the SEPHORA Collection Contour Palette. We are going to start by creating the hollow areas of Edward Scissorhands. So I'm using one of the darkest contour shades and a small brush to apply it, starting on the inner corners. You want to create the illusion of having very tired eyes. To create his sad expression, start by applying the powder on a diagonal angle from the inner corner of the brow towards the lower outer corner of the brow. And repeat the same on the other eye. To add more definition, you need a smaller brush, a darker shadow to deepen up the hollow areas of the eye. You can always use your beauty blender to correct any areas that look too dark. I feel like this look is a trust the process type of look. So now here I'm contouring the cheekbones and sides of the forehead. So here I'm using a lip pencil in a burgundy shade, only on the center of the lip. To get Edward Scissorhands' messy hair, I just parted the hair and started tweezing very small areas with a small comb. I also use hairspray to keep the shape and so it lasts longer. And so this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.